friends, my name is Henrik Dawson. And also, me and my dad made this volcano last week, and also, the volcano is a mountain, and it has a little hole that explodes lava out of the mountain, and if it interrupts you, then you have to run away.